In today's video, we are focusing on self-love. I want to give you 5 tips on how to actually love yourself as a beginner, because I know we live in the world whereby some people will feel like they don't love themselves, but in really sense, let me tell you, you are worth it. And these 5 reasons will give you a motivation to know that being yourself and also loving yourself is the best thing that you can do to yourself. So first, what you're gonna do if you're just beginning to love yourself is to practice gratitude. Focus on the things in your life that you are thankful for and express gratitude for them regularly. And also, this can help shift your focus away from negative self-talk and also towards positive thinking or positive thoughts. Number 2 is to set boundaries. Learn to say no to things and people that do not align with your values or make you feel good about yourself. Setting healthy boundaries is an important aspect of self-love. Number 3 is to be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion that you would offer to a friend. This means gentle and understanding with yourself rather than being overcritical or harsh. Number 4 is to prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. These include things like exercise, meditation, journaling, or reading a book. Last but not least is actually to surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people, places, and things that make you feel good. These include spending time with loved ones, listening to uplifting music, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. I hope these 5 tips have actually encouraged you and also have motivated you to start self-loving yourself. Until next time again, I'll see you. Bye bye.